to another episode of DMTV. This is Dan's Creator regular video, and we are unboxing today's package. Today, we got something from JOANN's. This is my first time shopping with JOANN. So, I got a project, right? And I wanted to do this project for a minute. I don't have much Christmas themed things in my room except for this. This is something I got from Maker's Mark, being a Maker's Mark ambassador. And I was thinking to myself, if anything, if I'm going to do anything, I was going to make something really special. So, I'm going to do something involving this tin. This tin was about, I think it was like under $3, something like that. But yeah, this is the tin. And it says, Season's Greetings to You and Yours. Now, I thought about how to, make this look cool and all, but I don't know yet because my ornament's not here yet. So this is the inside of it. Nice, right? And, it really says $8 on here. Hold on. Yep, $8. That's crazy. I didn't know it cost $8. But, it's a nice little tin. Really good. This is plastic. And you can actually feel the words a little bit. This is the top. It's a little see-through, but it does say, hold on. It says, Season Greetings to You and Yours. And that is that. So this came early. I was expecting this Saturday, but I'm glad it came early. I love early time and early arrivals. I don't know why it says coupon and buttons. Talking about some damn St. Jude. That's what it said on the box. Next we got some fabric paint from Amazon. So this is going to be part of my Halloween costume. I already finished cleaning the brushes. This is what it looks like. This is in color lavender. This is Deco Art So Soft Fabric Acrylics. It does have instructions on the bottle, and the consistency looks pretty good. I'm only going to show you that much because it does, even though it looks a little runny, it's hold up. Yeah. It don't really smell too bad. Oh man, it got on my damn thing. But yeah, this goes well with whatever you're designing on your clothes, and then you pretty much take care of it. But it does say on the bottle that it is water-based. So you can just easily just clean it up with soap and water after you're done with your project. This will not crack, peel, or harden, and colors remain bright and vibrant after washing. It is highly pigmented, and it's a permanent finish. So that's pretty cool. What else? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I did get some new headphones along with some cushions. You already know this set right here. I have a green. Well, had a green. We had to RIP those joints. This is the red version of my headphone set. This one is actually more my style, even though I did kind of want it to match I wanted to match like my Xbox controller and stuff. But if y'all didn't notice, the B is red. Not original, I know. But yeah, check this out. way more comfortable, way more easier talking to, and of course that good old fashioned volume control. So these are 10 out of 10 for me, along with the fabric paint and the 10. I got some more stuff coming in. I think my eBay package will be here tomorrow. I might have to check again. And then I gotta check Amazon. Cause I got another package from Amazon coming as well. And it involves me creating on this tent. On this tent right here. So yeah. I need to get back to doing more projects on here. So yeah, I got something coming in. It doesn't really say when it's on the way, but I have a feeling it's gonna come Monday of next week. That's the 7th. That's what it says here. And then I got stuff from Wish coming in, eBay, and I think that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and click the notification bell to be notified of all my videos. We are almost up to at least 80 reviews on the Damage Review playlist. I am really, really happy with those results. So I got something else coming. I'm sorry, the 7th is a Tuesday. Sorry. But I got another thing coming on, hopefully on Monday. It's in Trez right now. It's in they say it's in Hyattsville, which is in my state. So yeah. I love you. I will see you in the next stream. Bye. Did I say stream? I'm in the video.